Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hmm.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yesterday I had gone to college. I had some work, so I've gone to college yesterday. After 7 months, I've gone to college yesterday. So, yesterday we did physical barriers, correct? Today we will do language or semantic barriers. What is semantic barriers? Semantic or language barriers means barriers which is caused because of language. Okay. Language or meaning. Meaning of words in a language. Is it clear? So, language or semantic barriers are barriers which are caused because of language or meaning of words in a language. So, what do you do? Now, suppose one person is speaking in Hindi, another is speaking in Telugu, correct? They don't understand each other's language. Each other's language, correct? So, it is language barrier, correct? Understood or not? Similarly, suppose one person is using language. Now it is because of different language. Okay. So it can be different language. Correct. Then within the same language, also language barrier is caused. Now, sorry. So it can be different language and it can be within the same language. Correct. and within the same language due to meaning, pronunciation, etc. Is it clear? So even if you are using same language, there can be barrier due to meaning, pronunciation, okay, or is it clear? So one person when speaking in Hindi, another person speaking in Telugu, it is caused due to different language. But within the same language also there can be difference. There can be language barrier due to difference in meaning, due to pronunciation and all. Okay. For example, if I say I have kept fast today. Okay, full stop. I can not speak fast. Okay, I cannot speak fast. Then I say I sorry. Risha is my fast friend. Correct? Now in each of these three sentences I have used the word fast. Correct? What is meaning of fast? Hello. Am I audible or not?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of fast? I have kept fast today. So fast here means
Upwas.
yes, I am not eating anything like routine, correct? I cannot speak fast. Here fast refers to, and Risha is my fast friend. Here fast refers to, the word is fast, spelling is same, pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different. Suppose you know English, but if you don't know the meaning of fast in different sense, you will not understand now what the speaker is saying. Is it clear? So fast means not eating, correct? Not eating, correct? No? So fast here means not eating, correct? But I cannot eat fast. Here fast means speed, correct? So fast here means speed. Is it clear? Okay. But here fast means Risha is my fast friend. Intimate. Correct? Intimate. Is it clear? So fast has different meanings. Is it clear to you? But the word is same, in the sense spelling is same and pronunciation is same. So what is it known as? Homophone. What is it known as? Homophone. समझ आ रहा है कुछ? When pronunciation is same, spelling is same, it's known as homophone. Is it clear? HOMOPHONE. So because of homophone also language barrier is caused. Have you noted down this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Every one of you understood something? There is no confusion, no? If anybody has confusion, can put it in chat box if you can't reply. So should I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are using two different languages, two persons are speaking or writing or using language, but the languages are different, so also language barrier is caused. Within the same language also language barrier is caused due to meaning. Correct? Fast, 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 meaning is different in each sentence. Okay, if you don't know the difference, the language you will not understand. Correct? No. Next is example of homonym. Homonym means what? Different spellings but pronunciation may be same. For example, SEEC and SEAC. You know the difference? SEEC means, what is the meaning of CSEE?
To see someone.
To watch. Correct? SEEC means ocean. Correct? No? So see here is verb. First C is verb. Correct? And the second C is noun. First C is verb, no? Which means watch. Verb and which means watch. Second C is noun, which means ocean. Is it clear? And it means ocean. So each word has different spelling but pronunciation is same, C and C. Now if we take another example, for example, FAIR. and F-A-R-E. Now both words have different spellings but pronunciation is same. Fair, F-A-I-R, fair, F-A-I-R, fair. Okay, now first fair means Mela, which you say Mela, festive occasion, okay, where large number of people gather. Second fair is for ticket fare, okay, भाड़ा बोलते हैं ना जिसको. So the difference is there. Then similarly take example of words like SOUL, okay, and SOLE, soul, 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 SOLE, soul, okay. Now first soul means the soul which is in our body mind, and so the second soul is soul of your chappal, sandal, etc. So the words have different meanings, spellings are different but pronunciation is same. Okay, so this also causes a language barrier. Suppose I see an elephant on sea beach. If I say this, then you can understand. But if I just use the word see in isolation without any word before that or after that, you may confuse na. Suppose I am dictating you notes and I just use the word see. So you will think which see I am using. It is according to context only you understand. है ना? Before or after what words have been used. I can't say I-S-E-A, see an elephant, correct? Or I see an elephant on S-E-E, sea beach, correct? So you can't replace na, these words. This sea can't put here, this sea can't put here. So from the context also you understand which sea will come here, where, correct or not? Hello, are you understanding me?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you understand from the context that which sea will be where, correct? But if suppose I use the word sea, I just say sea, which sea I am saying you will not come to know in isolation if I am saying. But if I say see the blackboard, see the whiteboard, you understand now which sea will be there, S-E-E. It can't be S-E-A, correct? Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So because of homonyms also language barrier is caused. Because of homophones, because of homonyms also language barrier is caused. Correct? Then because of sentence structure also language barrier is caused.
Ma'am, homophones and homonym, what is the major difference then? Like, it's the same
अभी तो
thing,
बताया
right?
है मैंने, अभी just homophones
Yeah,
means
I understood, but I'm just asking, what is the major difference about
हाँ तो
them?
बताया ना अभी, which homophones means where the spelling and pronunciation is same. Homonyms means different spelling but same pronunciation.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
फास्ट का एग्जाम्पल दिया था ना अभी 3 सेंटेंसेज में. I have kept fast today. Risha is my fast friend. I cannot speak fast. What is fast? In 3 sentences homophone na. Spelling is same, pronunciation is same. Understood or not? Hello, who asked about difference between homophone and homonym? Understood or not? Hello, बोलते भी नहीं हो कि समझ आया कि नहीं आया. Homonyms means different spelling but same pronunciation. Homophone means same spelling, same pronunciation. Now, sentence structure. I have been in Bombay since 2000। तो इसका क्या मीनिंग है? एनीबडी कैन टेल मी द मीनिंग? हेलो, अरे आई एम टीचिंग यू एंड आस्किंग यू ओनली। ऑल ऑफ यू आर स्लीपिंग और व्हाट? आई हैव बीन इन बॉम्बे, क्या मीनिंग है इसका? सब म्यूट हो गए क्या? Everybody is muted?
No, ma'am.
Then you don't know the meaning of this sentence. I have been in Bombay since 2000. इसका क्या meaning है? What is the meaning of this sentence? Nobody understands. It means I have been in Bombay since 2000 means since the year 2000 I am in Bombay. Correct? So it may mean that the person is in Bombay right now as well. Correct? The person may be somewhere else and can say I have been in Bombay since 2000. So sometimes sentence structure also cause confusion. Correct? Is it clear? Understood or not? क्या हुआ, तुम सबको आज नींद आ रही है क्या? पढ़ने के मूड में नहीं हो? कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे हो? या ऐसे लग रहा है कि अभी कॉलेज खुलने वाला है तो हम लेक्चर में I have been in Bombay since 2000. So different sentence structure also cause confusion. Correct? Like I give you example, I saw a saw which cannot saw. ये एग्जाम्पल दिया था ना मैंने तुम्हें एक बार?
Yes, ma'am.
तो here pronunciation is same, spelling is same, but meaning is different of saw in every word used here. First saw is verb past tense of see. Another saw is instrument noun. Third saw is verb which means which cut. Okay, so these are examples. Now this sentence construction can also cause confusion due to use of homophones. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I
Yes.
erase it? So language barriers can be caused due to different language within the same language, also due to meaning, due to spelling, due to pronunciation, due to accent also language barrier can be caused. Accent means now you see when somebody pronounces the same language, whether it's Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, whatever language, people from north pronounce it with different accent. People from south pronounce it with different accent. You come to know from the way they speak language that the person can be from south, the person can be from north. Correct? For example, the word school. People from UP will pronounce it school. है ना? Instead of school, they will pronounce school. Okay? Similarly, South Indians pronunciation accent is different from North Indians pronunciation and accent. Okay? So this can also cause sometime barriers. Okay, now a person speaking English language is Britisher. Suppose Britishers accent will be different from Americans. Britishers accent will be different from Americans accent. Sometimes you don't understand even if the person is speaking English due to difference in accent. Okay, so that can also cause a barrier. Understood? So difference in accent, difference in pronunciation, difference in spelling, difference in sound can cause language barrier. Is it clear to you? Enough for the language barrier? समझ आ गया इतना? और इतना बहुत हो गया लैंग्वेज बैरियर के लिए? क्या और एग्जाम्पल दूं? Any one of you have noted down this in the notebook? How much it is? One page, more than one page? Should I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आ गया क्या लैंग्वेज बैरियर, सिमेंटिक बैरियर क्या होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ कंफ्यूजन है?
No, ma'am.
ओके, होमोनिम और होमोफोन के बारे में जिसने पूछा था उसको क्लियर हो गया या नहीं हुआ? अभी भी किसने पूछा था होमोनिम और होमोफोन के डिफरेंस के बारे में? गर्ल स्टूडेंट ने पूछा था किसी ने। क्लियर हुआ या नहीं हुआ? इज इट क्लियर? Then we come to next barrier, which is psychological barrier. What is psychological barrier? It's caused due to mind. ठीक है? For example, different perception. Perception. Okay, now you have different perception, and because of different perception the language barrier is psychological barrier is caused. Okay, now you watch a movie. Okay, suppose you are shown a movie in the college, all of you watch that movie. Will all of you interpret in the same way? कोई फिल्म आपको दिखाई जाती है कॉलेज में, हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, जिस लैंग्वेज में आप, या मराठी में, जिसको आप समझते हैं, क्या आप सबका परसेप्शन उस फिल्म को लेकर सेम होगा? सपोज अ फिल्म ऑन विमेन्स इश्यूज इज शोन टू देम, शोन टू ऑल ऑफ यू, वेदर ऑल ऑफ यू विल हैव सेम परसेप्शन? अच्छा चलो अभी एक बात पूछती हूँ. देयर आर पीपल हु से that women are responsible for women's problems. Do you all agree to it? Hello, अरे मैं कुछ पूछ रही हूँ, बताओ ना, साइलेंट क्यों हो? Whether women are responsible for women's problem, do you agree to it?
No, no, ma'am.
What about boys? Girls will always say no generally, but what about boys? So boys' perception can be different from girls. Even women's perception can be different. Some women may say no, yes, women are only responsible for women's problem. Some boys can also say no, women are not responsible. But maybe some boys may say, I'm just giving idea, I don't mean to say anything about anybody, huh? That no, women are responsible for women's position. Now similarly, some people say there is nothing like COVID. Government ने ऐसे ही शोर मचाया हुआ है. Some people say ना कोविड क्या है, कुछ नहीं है, मास्क वास्क लगाते नहीं है, ऐसे ही घूमते हैं, हैंड सैनिटाइजर यूज नहीं करते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं यूज करते. यू हैव लिसन टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर स्पीच यस्टरडे, देश के नाम संबोधन. कितने लोगों ने सुना? नहीं सुना ना, क्या जरूरत है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर को बोलने दो जो भी बोलते हैं. But he said that corona hasn't gone still. Even if trains, metro have started, but you have to be careful. So whenever you go out, you have to wear mask. Whenever you go out, you have to sanitize your hand. You have to keep washing your hands after some time, after 2-3 hours, every 2-3 hours for 20 seconds. Okay, you have to maintain the distance of 2 गज की दूरी. Okay. So 6 feet distance, and you are not supposed to go out unnecessarily still. Okay, even if the cases, number of cases may be decreasing, even if there will be a good improvement, recovery rate is more. Okay, so everyone's perception is different. I have talked to so many people. People say कोरोना वोरोना कुछ नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट ऐसे ही वो कर रही है. But if there is nothing like corona, why people are falling ill, sick and dying? Correct. So we have to be careful and we have to follow the guidelines given. So everyone's perception is different, and because of that psychological barrier is caused. Correct. Now in the office, at workplace, even within the family, in neighborhood, people have different perception on the same issue, and so psychological barriers are caused. Is it clear? Different perceptions. समझ आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 1 is different perception. Second point is prejudice. There are prejudices about one particular religion, one particular caste. Okay, so which also creates psychological barrier. Like people say ना, 12 बजे सरदार जी का दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, ये prejudice है. Some people say about any religion or any, 60 के बाद इंसान का दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, सठिया जाता है. Okay, so these are prejudices. Is it clear? So even educated, illiterate, literate, everybody suffers from these prejudices, and because of that people behave differently and psychological barriers are caused. Clear? Then your emotions also cause psychological barriers. Okay, what emotions mean? What emotions mean? If you are happy, you may understand the lecture if you are in a good mood. If you are in a bad mood, sad, you may not understand the lecture. Okay, so if you like a particular teacher, you always appreciate that teacher. If you dislike a particular teacher, even if the teacher is good, you may dislike it. I'm just giving example, I have nothing to do with that, huh? I'm just, if you like, suppose one speaker has come to your college to speak on something, on any topic. Maybe your first impression about that speaker is not good. Due to any reason, you didn't like the dress and grooming style of the speaker, you didn't like the first appearance of the speaker or whatever, or first interaction. So your emotions, good, bad, happy, unhappy mood also affects your perception, and it causes psychological barrier. Then your poor health. Okay, if you are, suppose if you are suffering from fever, so even if you are in the lecture, because you are attending the lecture from home, you may not understand because your mind will be, because of your poor health, your mind will not be able to grasp the thing. Okay, your physical self affects your mind, your body affects your mind, correct? So if your body is not good health, your mind will be also not in good health, correct? So you will not be able to understand the lecture, correct? No. So poor health. Then fifth is, sometimes somebody may have this slanting. Then there is one thing known as halo effect. Okay. Now some people may think I know each and everything. Okay. So they may not listen to the lecture properly. They may not understand what the other person is saying. Slanting means what? Hello, am I audible? You are listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So first is different perception, second is prejudice, third is emotions, fourth is poor health, okay, fifth is slanting, sixth is halo effect. So you don't like a person, so you always dislike whatever the person says. Okay, if you like the person, even if the person says wrong things, you like it. Okay, so it depends on your relationship with the speaker. In business place, whether somebody is your junior or senior, so it all depends na whether you like the person or not like the person. If you like the person, you will always see whatever the person does or whatever the person speaks, you will always see something good in that. If you don't like the person, you will always see something bad in whatever the person does. Is it clear? So that is known as slanting. Halo effect means you think you know each and everything, so you don't try to understand what the other person is saying. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then status. Status is also a barrier. Okay. Status is also a barrier. Now, suppose you go to meet somebody who is senior to you. Okay, as at a workplace, you are subordinate and you go to meet somebody who is very senior to you, a person at the highest post. Okay, the person may not welcome you, entertain you because of his high status, because of his senior status and your junior status, or you, because you have some wrong impression about the person, or you feel all people having high status dislike or reject the juniors or subordinates. So status also causes psychological barrier. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? It can be even socio-economic status or professional status. Socio-economic, professional status. In the beginning, people were saying na, when in Dharavi the cases were increasing कि चौल में ही हो रहा है सब कुछ, कोरोना फैल रहा है, जो बिल्डिंग्स में वहां पे कोरोना नहीं हो रहा है किसी को भी, चौल में हो रहा है. सो दिस इज रिगार्डिंग सोशो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस. Okay, so psychological barrier is caused by socio-economic status. Corona doesn't see socio-economic or professional status. It can happen to anybody. Okay, but because of psychological barriers, we think like that it's happening because of this, because of this. We don't try to find out what's happening in reality, but we try to just see to it. Okay, because of psychological barriers, वी से नहीं चौल में ज्यादा हो रहा है, बिकॉज चौल में लोग नजदीक नजदीक रहते हैं ना, बिल्डिंग में सबका फ्लैट सेपरेट है, अरे चौल में भी सबका घर सेपरेट ही रहता है, करेक्ट. सो सोशो इकोनॉमिक एंड प्रोफेशनल स्टेटस, different social professional economic status also cause psychological barrier, correct. So some relatives who are rich don't like to visit the poor relatives house, correct. Similarly, because of educational status also barriers are caused. Somebody is illiterate, somebody is literate, so literate people may even dislike illiterate people, or highly educated people may not like to talk to illiterate people, or may not like to behave in a good way. So all these statuses also cause psychological barrier. Is it clear to you? Should I give you
Yes,
more
ma'am.
points under psychological barriers? There can be n number of points in psychological barriers even. Do you want more, I should go to the next last cultural socio-cultural barriers? हेलो, अरे हाँ ना, कुछ तो बोलो. कुछ नहीं बोलने का है तुमको? Yes means what? Should I stop here about psychological barrier, or you want more points about psychological barriers? Then there is one thing known as closed mind. It is also part of psychological barrier. Closed mind means you keep your mind closed, you don't keep your mind open, you are very narrow minded, or you think, no, I know each and everything. Okay, so you don't want to listen to others, you don't want to follow others instruction, so that is also one of the psychological barrier. Is it clear? Next, now we come to cross cultural or socio-cultural barriers. Is it clear? What is cross-cultural or socio-cultural barrier? Socio-cultural barrier or cross-cultural, because of different societies, because of different cultures, the barriers are caused. Cultures or societies. Now, in India, we greet people na. In India, we greet people by folding hands. अभी वैसे कोरोना की वजह से वापस हो गया, नहीं तो लोग शेक हैंड ही करते थे ना ज्यादातर. ग्रीट पीपल बाय फोल्डिंग हैंड्स, नमस्ते, करेक्ट. एंड वी इवन टच फीट ऑफ आवर एल्डर्स, करेक्ट. Is it clear to you? Touching feet of elders, है ना? But in other foreign countries, in Western countries, they shake hand. What do they do more? They sometimes they kiss, na? While greeting. They kiss. So there are various forms of greeting. Now in India we fold hands, we touch feet of elders, but in Western country they shake hand, kiss. But if people in India do that, people may misinterpret it, correct? So because of difference in culture also, barriers are caused, correct? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is one. Now this is not only related to greeting. Okay, in different cultures, different gestures also mean different thing. In one's culture, one word, if one word is pronounced, it has different meaning. In another culture, it may have different meaning. Okay, so that also can create misunderstanding, misinterpretation, and can cause barrier. Similarly, you know, in north north in northern India, Amavasya is not considered an auspicious day. Amavasya, you understand, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Auspicious. Okay, good day. Not considered a good day. While in south, Amavasya is considered a good day. Good day. Okay, so it is due to difference in culture. Okay, that cross cultural barrier is happening. Is it clear to you? Understood? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood now what is cross cultural barrier or socio cultural barrier? We live in different societies. In different societies, the same thing is considered differently. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have noted down whatever I have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Should I erase it?
Yes.
Yes.
Understood what are barriers to communication? Every one of you have understood it properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No confusion, no?
No, ma'am. No confusion.
Okay. Anybody wants to say anything? Now, you want to switch on your video to show me yourself? Hello? No? None of you? Okay. You will be having more lectures in this room only?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Which is your next lecture?
Economics.
Okay. So should I leave the meeting? I should make somebody the host and leave. Abhishek Jayaswal or Radha Vishwakarma? Radha,
Radha, ma'am.
should I make you host, Radha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am leaving now. Is it okay?